Welcome to document archiving. Finding documents can be quick and easy, except for those paper documents stuffed in boxes and file cabinets. That's where I can help you. That is, to get your documents scanned into an electronic archive for you. I will show you how to access and use an electronic archive. I'm Larry Stover, president and owner of Stover Imaging. I have scanned and archived millions of documents for businesses as a service over the years. I can also help you. Now, do you need or want to access what's in your company's paper archives? The good news is you can easily and safely find the documents you need when your paper archives have been put into an electronic archive, and it saves you valuable time. Now, we create these electronic archives for businesses throughout Michigan and have done so for over 24 years using DocuWare software. DocuWare is a leading global company that provides document management and automated workflow. So let's take a look at what an electronic archive will do for you. An archive that works for you is more than just a collection of documents in folders. Now let's simply access the archive by double-clicking on the file shown. Now this is the archive menu. You can do a Google type search. You can also use a fielded index search. Now these search fields can be adjusted, to fit your needs. For example, the customer name can be changed to contract number or anything you want it to be. So let's click on that yellow search button. Now, a result list containing all the documents appear above me. We can view a document by double-clicking on it. But first, let's see how easy it is to find a specific document. Let's start with the main menu and do a Google type search. Now, I have entered in steel girder. Now, click on the yellow search button to find all documents that contain my term search steel girder. As you can see above me, a document was found. Now simply double-click on the document in the result list. Your document is open and it's displayed on my left. As you can see, this is a 4-page PDF document. I can also easily find my search term, steel girder, within the document. It's highlighted in blue for me. I can continue to find more instances of steel girder in the document as shown. Now, this comes in very handy, especially if you have a document containing many pages. Let's go back to the main menu again, and as shown to the right of me. This time we will do an index search for searching. So rapid transport has been entered in the index field for company name. Now let's click on that yellow search button. Do it again here and we'll find it. 2 documents have been found as shown above. We open the document by double-clicking on the one we want to view. The document is displayed on my left, and this is much quicker than searching through paper documents, and you don't have to refile it. Now this is a read-only system. You can't change, add, or delete documents in this archive, but new documents can be added or deleted using our services. So using a Google type search and a fielded index search, you have seen how easy it is to find and view your documents. Now this archive doesn't have any ongoing costs or fees. There's no software to purchase or install. You can insert your thumb drive into any Windows PC or laptop and access your archive at any time or anywhere. Additional copies of the thumb drive can be made for use at other locations or for storage. Enhancing the security of your thumb drive can be done using BitLocker or other tools. You can also access your archive from a local hard disk. These archives are provided as part of our DocuWare Request scanning services. Now you can get an archive file cabinet by contacting Stover Imaging or another authorized DocuWare partner that provides these archive file cabinets as a service. Document pickup services are provided for you. Boxing of your records is also done if needed. Staple removal, scanning, creating searchable PDFs, and document indexing. An archive file cabinet will be created containing all your scanned documents. Once you have your archive on a thumb drive, you can have your paper documents returned to you or have them destroyed. Now, additional documents can also be added or purged from your archive at any time using our service. Your updated archive will be delivered to you on a new thumb drive. Now, many businesses provide us with their documents to do this service on a yearly basis. So you have seen how your paper files can be converted to an electronic archive and how to use one. As an alternate, you can create your own archive using DocuWare software. This option option will also give you more capabilities and functionality. I will be happy to discuss these with you. So DocuWare is available as a cloud or on-premise system. So we can also help you with your document management needs, including automated workflows. So please contact me by phone or email me, using the information shown on my right. So thank you for watching.